In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple bar chart in Google Sheets. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So what you want to do is open up your Google Sheets spreadsheet file, then arrange your data into two clean columns. Put your text labels like months, names, or categories in the left column, and put your numerical values like sale numbers, scores, or counts in the right column. Click and drag your cursor to highlight all the cells that contain data. So let's just say I want to, go ahead and get these ones. Then what you want to do is navigate to the top menu bar, click on Insert, and then select Chart, which is going to be one of the options. So go ahead and click on that. Now, as you can see, I have a simple chart right here. It's a simple bar chart. I can then change the exact sort of one that I want. So if I want it to be thicker or anything like that, I could do a stacked one. I could do anything like this as well. And there's going to be a bunch of different options. So that's it. You'll be good to go. Then you can go to customize and you can change all the different style, anything else that you want as well, including the text and anything like that over here too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.